Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by right-clicking an empty area of the taskbar to access settings and see pinned icons. This gives you immediate control. Once done, make sure you can see the app you want as a shortcut in File Explorer or on the Start menu. You'll drag from there. You'll also enable any auxiliary buttons like the touch keyboard only if needed. This initial setup gets you into position to create or move a desktop shortcut from an existing taskbar item. Now you create the desktop icon, open Start, find the app, and drag it to the desktop to generate a shortcut or locate the program. Exe in File Explorer and use Send to Desktop. Once the shortcut appears, right-click and choose Properties to confirm the target path and set a custom icon if desired. Make sure to name it clearly and, if needed, run as administrator from the Compatibility tab. These steps ensure the desktop icon points. Finish by dragging the newly created shortcut to your preferred desktop location. You can resize and align it with the grid for neatness. Once done, you may choose to keep the taskbar pin and the desktop icon simultaneously. Just right-click the taskbar icon to pin or unpin as needed. If the shortcut disappears or won't open, check File Explorer permissions, confirm the target. Exe still exists, and look in Hidden Icons. These checks resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.